Hey guys, it's Isaac from Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck dealer in South Arkansas. Today we just got finished modifying this truck. It's a 2015 Ford F-150. We've done a little bit of work to it and made it look really cool. As you can see, it's got the fog lights there. We added a nice brush guard on the front that has room for a winch if you'd like to add one. Put a little leveling kit on it, 2 inches on the front, 3 inches on the back. Got some brand new halo rims, some really nice all-terrain tires. It's got some fixed running boards so you can still get in the truck with ease. It is 4-wheel drive. It's also a CARFAX certified one-owner truck. In the back bumper there, you can see the backup sensors that'll alert you if you're getting too close to something when you're backing up. It's also got the little tow package, and the tailgate is a locking tailgate. If you hit the lock button in the truck, it'll lock it or unlock. It also unlocks the tailgate. As you can see, just beautiful tires, ready for play or work. It's got a really nice spray-in bed liner. Inside, we've got our standard power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Got a cloth interior. Seats are not ripped anywhere. It's got some really nice heavy-duty Husky liners. Here's your fog lights and your automatic lights, also your cargo light. The center console will fold up, giving you up to 6 passenger capacity. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts right up, no hesitation. Has 165,000 miles on it. Just getting broke in. Over here you got your media center, of course your air controls. You also got a USB and a 12-volt charger down there. 4-wheel drive. It comes with 2 full keys here, with the remote and the key. Now you got your Bluetooth and your media controls along with your cruise control on the steering wheel. It's got a nice brand new Dickies steering wheel cover. It's a full crew cab, got lots of room in the back. As you can see, plenty of leg room. 3 seats in the back with shoulder strap. You can also fold those up and give you a ton of room. You probably easily fit a single air mattress back there. Getting that little tow receiver if I didn't mention that. Just a fun truck. Lots of storage on the doors. Again, lots of leg room or plenty of storage room, whichever you prefer. Lots of storage on these doors. Again, Husky liners custom fitted to the front. It's got the owner's manual, a couple of shelves in the glove box, another 12-volt charger here for the passenger in addition to the one down there for the driver. It's got Microsoft Sync, so that's going to include Bluetooth capabilities. As you can hear, the motor's running as it should, no unusual noises. Pretty clean under the hood. I don't expect this truck to last long, especially with the modifications we've done to it. If you'd like to get approved on it, all you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.